Hey everyone, so today we're looking at the Sea to Summit dry bag. Now you can get two versions of this bag. You can get the lightweight or the ultra lightweight, the Ultra-Sil. The difference between the two is the material. One's more heavier basically, but more durable, and the other one is for people that want to save on weight. You know, they're really watching how much weight is going into their bags basically. So that's the difference between the two. One's slightly more sturdier and one's lighter, but they're both waterproof. So we'll get out and have a little look at it and we'll see what we can fit into the bag. Now, the essential items I was thinking of are obviously a phone, because you know your phone's used for pretty much everything these days, a power bank, a charging lead, and then a spare t-shirt and a spare pair of shorts. Now you can just about get these items into the bag because you're supposed to fold the top 3 times so that it's actually waterproof. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to pack the bag and I'll show you what it looks like when it's fully packed. As you can see, it is really packed. Like, I squeezed as much as I could in, and then we'll do a waterproof test. So just going to dip it in some water. Now they're not supposed to be submerged. You can submerge it and the items in the bag will stay dry for like a couple of minutes, maybe max. The air seeps out but at a slow rate, I guess, depending on how low you take the bag. But it's not supposed to be submerged, but I did trial that. So I put in the water for a little while, a couple of minutes, and then took it out, and yeah, everything was completely dry. So yeah, decent little bag, to be honest. Like, I didn't go out to buy this bag, but I ended up coming back with it. So yeah, I seen it, I thought it was handy, and I haven't tried much Sea to Summit kit. I was considering buying one of their fold up backpacks. Them, you know, it goes into a really small pouch. But I seen this item and I thought, oh, that's a handy item that I will need. So why not? You know, so why not have a little look at it? But yeah, great little bag. So yeah, worth getting. I'll put the link in the description if anyone wants to, if anyone's interested in getting the item. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, get in the comment section, and I'll catch you next time.